our production network, and in our subnetting workbook we will focus on these three, but we have 5 IP address classes. Okay, so in class in IPv4 total we have 32-bit address. Okay, 32-bit address. So 32-bit address, so how we divide these 32-bit mean we have 4 different blocks. Okay, so 4 different blocks, so each block 8 bits. This is block 1, this is second block, mean we call this is first octet. Okay, we called it first octet. Okay, this is first octet, this is second octet, this one, and this is third octet, and this one is the fourth octet. So these each octet we have 8 bits. Okay, each octet we have 8 bits. Okay, so the first bit in class A address, the first bit of the first octet is always set to a 0 in class A. So the first octet range come from 1 to 127. Okay, 127. So always class A addresses only include IP start from 1 to 126. Okay, so the IP range 127 is reserved for the loopback IP address, and the default subnet mask for class A IP address is, what is the default subnet mask for class A IP address? Yes, please. What is the default subnet mask for class A address? Please tell me. What is the default subnet mask?
255.
Yes. So the default subnet mask. So here, just let me do it now. So I cannot write. I don't know. Just नजम भाई एक मिनट यहाँ से ये do you know how we add text? Okay, just हो गया ये क्या हो गया, लिख नहीं रहा। हो गया, चलिए ठीक, थैंक यू। कंप्यूटर सही है इसमें पहले इशू चल रहा था वो मीटिंग का, कनेक्ट ही नहीं हुआ था, बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट। अच्छा, तो अब ठीक हो गया। ठीक है, कोई और भी है क्या, कर दो लास्ट वन वाला का। Okay, so now, so the default subnet mask for class A is 255. So this is, I'm going to write it here. So 255, let me write, I think I cannot. Okay, I will write it here. 255.255, 255.255.255. Sorry. So class A address is 255.0. Sorry, like here 0.0.0. Okay, so why we have 255.0.0.0? Yes, anyone can tell me? So why we have 255 here and all 3 octets is 0.0.0? It means, so the first block we called a network. Okay, so here if you will see here in class A, the first octet reserved for the network, and 3 octet, the second octet, third octet, and fourth octet is for the host portion. Please try to understand this one. So the first octet means 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits. The first 8 bit reserved for the networks, and 24 bits. This 8 bit, if you will see here, let me increase the, let me zoom it. Now here, now I think it is more clear. So if you will see here, so first 8 bit reserved for the network, and 24, this 8 bit, 8 bit, and 8 bit. So it is reserved for the host. Okay, reserved for the host. So it means how many hosts it can be accommodated in this class A? Anyone can tell me? Yes. how many hosts can be accommodated in class A? Yes, tell me. And yes, so it means, see, 8 bit, 8 bit and 8 bit. Total how many bits for the host we have? Anyone? How many bits we have?
3.
So no, 3 octet, but 8 bits, 8 bit, 8 bit, total 24 bit, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, so total 24 bits, because 8 first 8 bit, first 8 bit, okay, this one it belongs to the network. Okay, so as I told you, in IPv4 total we have 32 bits address, but first 8 bit belong to the network and 24 bit for the host portion. 24 bit for the host portion. But total number of hosts, how many hosts can accommodate in class A? 2 raise the power here, 2 raise the power 24. So it will be 167777216. Okay, how many hosts? Now you can see here. Let me write it here. 16. Sorry, my bad. Here, let me do it again. Okay, just a moment, please. Okay, now I think it is okay. Okay, now see here. See the, so as I told you, now see please. So first 8 bit for the network, 24 bits for the host. Okay, 24 bit for the host. So how many? Sorry, how many? 2 raised power 24. This number of host we can accommodate -2. Okay, always go to 2 power n minus 2. Okay, so 1677214. Okay, so you can accommodate this number of hosts in class A network. Okay, now class B. So the class B, that is why, so it means the network bit we represent here. See here, class A, class A, class B, let me write class B and class C. So class A, as I told you, so total we have 32 bits. You can see here how many bits. So total 32 bits. Okay, class A we have total 32 bits. So if you will see here, first 8 bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first 8 bit belong to the network. Okay, this is for the network bit. Okay, this is for the network bit. Let me merge, and this is for the network bits. Okay, and the rest of 24 bit, because the host bit we called 0.0.0.0.0.0. Okay, so now it is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, then the rest of the 8. Okay, so you need to write all 8 bits here. Let me write, at least you will be, it will be more clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot, then the again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now if you will see here, as I told you, so first 8 bit reserved for the network. Let me, okay, so this is the 8 bit. Okay, first 8 bit in class A, it is reserved for the network. Okay, so this is a network bit, and this is all for the host. So all for the host. So how many bits for the host? 24 bit for the host. That is why we are writing. So this all 8 bit, if you will convert into a decimal number, it becomes 255. Okay, if you will add all these, you know, bits, because all bits are 1 na? So see, 128 plus 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. If you add all these bits, okay, or if you add all these bits, it become 255. It become 255. That is why we are writing 255.0.0.0. It means first 8 bit all ones and rest of the bits are 0. 0 mean, so this is for the host and this is for the network. It is clear, all of you? Okay, so always just keep it in your mind, the leading bit is always start with the 0 and it start from 10 and this start from 110. Okay, for class C. Now let me discuss here class B. Class B, how many bit for the network? How many bits for the network? Yes, in class B, how many bits for the network? Sorry, 8 bits. Yes, so first 8 bit for the network, we will see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, dot, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So total how many bits for the network? How many bits for the network here? Yes, please tell me. How many bits for the network?
8.
16. No, in this case 16. This is class B, na? Now here 16 bits. See, 16 bits. 16 bits for network. 16 bits. See, first 8 bit for second, first octet 8 bits, second octet. Okay, 8 bits. So total 16 bit. But in class A, only 8 bits. 8 bits for 8 bit for network. 8 bit or a, okay, 8 bit for the network. Okay, 8 bits for the network and 16 bits for the network. 16 bits. So that is why we are writing here. So 255, 255. See here. So here you can write here 255. Like suppose if you need to write. So what you will write here? You can write 255 because all bits 1. Na? So if all bit 1, it means this is 255. And here all bits 1, it means this is also yes, it is also 255. Yes, because if you will do the binary to decimal conversion, so what will be the answer for this one? 255, na? So if you will convert these number of bit, so what is the decimal number of what is the decimal equivalent of this binary? Yes, 255, na? Understood? So this is mean 255. This is 255. Now this is 0 because the rest of the bits are 00. Because here for the class B, rest of the bits are 00. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these bits are for the network. These bits for the network. Okay, these bits for the network. Sorry, this is for the network, and these bits for the host. Okay, this is the host bits. Host. See here, the host. So these bits for the host. Let me write it here. Host bits and for the host bits. If I ask you how many hosts can be accommodated in class B, yes, please tell me. How many hosts can be accommodated in class B? Tell me, please.
2.
Sorry? No, no, no. 8 plus 8, 16. So 16, so 2 power 16, you can say like here, mean 2 power 16. This number of hosts. This number of hosts can be accommodated in class B address, okay? In class B, 65,536 hosts can be accommodated in class B address, okay? These are the host bits, as I told you, host bits, okay? So now the address will be, so this is 255, and this is 0.0, okay? This is 0, yes? So this is 0, it becomes 0. Because all bits are 0, it means 0, yes? This is 0, and this is also 0, yes? 1 minute, let me write. So this is also 0. So what will be the default subnet mask here for class B? Yes. What is the default subnet mask then?
255.
Yeah, 255.0.0. Yes, 0.0. You can see this is 0.0. Yes. So good. So it means you can understand this one. Okay. Now the last one here. Now class C. So class C, how many bit for the network?
24.
How many bit? 24 bit for the network. Yes, good. So 24 bits for the network. So for the network, we always write 1.1. Okay, so it means 1 1 1 1 3 5 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and dot, this is also 1. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now only 8 bit for the host. You can see here 8 bits for the host. So here, if you will see now, let me add this one as, so now only 8 bit for the host. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. See, so this is, see here, now here it will be 255. Yes, so okay, let me write. So yeah, okay, I will write 255. This is again 255. Yes, 255, and this is also 255, because if you will add all bits together, it become 255. Yes, so here let me also merge it, 255. Okay, so it means this is 255, this is 255 and 255, and the last bits are 0, so it is 0. Okay, so what is the default subnet mask for class B? Yes, please tell me what is the default subnet mask for class B. Tell me. Yes, yes, tell me. Any one of you? Yes, tell me please. Yes, 255 dot.
255.
Yes, 255 dot 2255.0. Okay, so why it is like that? Because the first 8 bits, sorry, this is okay. First 8 bits, sorry, first this 8 bit, this 8 bit. Let me change the color. Let me change the color up till this point. Okay, this is for the network bit. Sorry, yeah, this one also. sorry, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is okay. See here. So it means first 8 bit we can convert into a binary 255. Second 8 bit, it is again 255. Third 8 bits, it is again 255. So the default subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. But in class B, as I told you, so 8 bits only for the network. Sorry, 16 bits for the network. Here 24 bits. Let me write here 24 bits for the network. So let me write. So 24 bits for network. Okay. 24 bits for the network. You can see here 16 bit in class B, 16 bit for the network, and class A 8 bit for the network. Okay, so we can write here 255.0.0.0, and class B we can write 255.255.0.0, but in class C we can write 255.255.255.0. Okay, so this is class C default subnet mask. Class B default subnet mask will be 255.255.0.0. Okay, it means 16 bits for the network and 16 bit for the host. Here, how many bits for the network in class A? Yes, tell me. How many bits? Tell me, please. Hello? Hello?
8.
No, in class A. In class A. How many bit for the network?
8.
8 bit. Good. So the prefix will be 8. Okay. So the prefix will be 8. Okay. So the prefix will be 8. So here, how many bit for the network? We can. What will be the prefix? How many bits for the network in class C?
24.
24. Okay. Yes, 24. Good. So 24. So we will write /24. Okay. So it will be the prefix will be /24. Now you understood three things: the network portion and the host portion, and what is the default subnet mask for each class. Okay, now it is clear. So let me go to the, so this is a default subnet mask for each class A. So this is a default subnet mask. Class B default subnet mask. Class C default subnet mask. Okay, so this conversion we already done. Okay, so this is our scale. As I told you, this is our scale. If we need to write 146, how we can write it? Just try to add those number in your scale which can equal to 146, mean 124, sorry, 128 plus 16 plus 2, it become 146. If you will add, see here, if you will add, so I just repeating. Okay, so now today we need to do, so if we need to make 146, what is the equivalent of the, sorry, if we need to convert this binary number into a decimal. Okay, so what we can do, suppose if it is 146. Okay, so you need to convert into a binary. So how can you can do it? You need to make this scale 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So only the bits which are on. Okay, so suppose 128 plus 16 plus 1, you can see 1, it can be, sorry, a 2, sorry, it can be a 2. Okay, so it will be 146. Okay, it is a 146. So because this is a bit 2. Okay, so this is the conversion last time we have done. See, decimal to binary. So if suppose this is your decimal number, you need to convert into a binary. Just do it in this way. Okay, if you have a binary number, so you have a binary number. If this is a binary number, only see, so what is the scale of this bit? What is the position of this bit? 128 bit position. Okay, the position of this bit is 1, position of this bit is 16, position of this, because of only on bit. Okay, on bit means 1 bit, 1 only. 0 bit, ignore it, we will not add. Only the bit which is 1 we need to add. Suppose in this case 119 binary number. Suppose this is a binary number, okay? If you need to find out what is the decimal equivalent of this one, so the bit which is 1, just add the position of this according to this scale, okay? According to this scale, add those bits positions, okay? So this is a position 64, position 32, position 16. This bit position is 4 on the scale, so because this is our scale now. So this is the bit position 2, and this is 1. If you will add all this 1 1 1 1 1 on this scale, it become 1119. Last time I already explained you, okay? So I hope you already have done, all the students, they have completed this conversions workbook. Yes, please, have you completed? Yes, tell me. How
Yes,
many
miss.
students not? Okay, how many students not yet completed? Please complete it today, okay? Otherwise you will be in trouble, because you will not understand a single subnetting, okay? This is, see here, this is subnetting here. As I told you, you need to upload. See, Hawa, Khadija, Arwa, binary decimal conversion, Reem, Fatima, Hussein, Noor Ali, and Noor Talal. Thank you very much. MashaAllah, you people are doing very well. So please try to, rest of the student, please try to upload. Your marks will be deducted if you will not upload these activities, these workbook, because this is only for you people, okay? You are getting the benefit, not me. If you will do this practice, then you will better understand this subnetting. Otherwise you will not understand the subnetting at all. You will get fail in exams. So please try to upload these activities. Now this is your, I need your cooperation here, okay? If you will do by yourself, then you can pass this course. Otherwise, it is very difficult. The subnetting will become very difficult if you will not do by yourself. If you will complete it, if you will do solve these exercises by yourself, it is just a piece of cake, okay? Very easy. It is very easy. Then if you will not do by yourself, you will say, oh, no, no, mister is explaining and we understand. No, it is not like that. It will not work, because the mathematics only learn through the practice, okay? If you will do more practice, you will learn more, okay? So that is why I'm telling you, please practice, practice, and practice. If you will not practice, if you will not solve these exercises, you will not learn the subnetting portion. And major portion in our exam belongs to this network, sorry, this subnetting, because more marks for subnetting. I'm telling you in advance. I'm telling you, don't say, okay, mister, you did not inform us. I'm telling you in advance, if you will miss this subnetting portion, you will fail. I'm telling you, okay? So please, if still if you have some confusion, you can tell me. I can repeat this the lecture 100 times, but please try to do by yourself. Try to watch the lecture, try to watch the video, and try to complete these workbook, okay? So these workbook, okay, you need to complete it. So we last time we also discussed about decimal to binary. We have seen how to do it, and we done it. And here, class A addresses, class B addresses, and class C addresses. Now this one we also seen what are the class A addresses, class B addresses, and class C addresses. Now see here again, just for the revision purpose, we can do it. 192.14.2.0. So it belong to which class? Yes, 192.14.2.0. Yes, this is
Class C.
class A,
Class C.
B, or C. Okay, class C. Good. This is class C. Good. So this is class C. And this 148, because class A start from 10 to,
Class
sorry,
B.
1 to 126, but class B start 128 to 191. So this is class B. Okay, so please try to complete this one by yourself, okay? At least if you will practice more, you will learn. Then you will not forget the range of class A, range of class B, range of class C, and all those things you will not forget. Okay, please try to complete by yourself. Now this again one important here. Now if you will see here, take take this. Okay. So now here we have the network and the host identification. Okay, network and the host identification. Circle the network portion of these addresses. Okay, so can you tell me this one? What is this? Is it a class A, B, or C? This is the first one. Is it class A, B, or C? Tell me.
B.
Yeah, class B. So how many bits for the class B for the network? Just I explain you. How many bits for the class? Okay, mean the
16.
first two. Yeah, 16. So it means first two octet, first two portion, because the first block and this is the second block na. So it means two block reserved for the network. So this is your network portion. Okay, and the second one is it class A, B, or C?
Class A. A.
Class A. So class A, so how many bits for the network?
8.
8 bits.
8.
So your, yeah, so 8 bit mean only the first block. The first block will be for the network portion. Okay, so the first block will be the network portion. Now here 209. So this 209. So 209, 240, it belongs to class C. Yes, this belongs to class C. So what will be the network portion here in this case? Let me take the. So what is the network portion here? Yes, tell me please.
24.
See here. No. Here. So what will be the, if we need to make a circle here, so what will be the network portion? It means 24 bit. Yes, you are right. So 24 bit mean, so first block, second block, and the third block. So it means these three block reserved for the network portion. Yes. And the last block, the octet we can say, or the last block is for the host. Yes. For the host we will come later on. Okay. Now tell me here. So this is again class. What is this class? 199.155.77.56. Is it class A, B, or C? Yes, this is class C, no? Class C, because it starts from 192 onward, no? Yes. So it means 199 for the class. Okay. How many bits? How many? So what is
16.
the network portion? No, class. This is class C, no? Class C. This is class C. See here. This is class C. Sorry, let me make it a little bit big. Okay. This is class C. This is class C. In the class C, so the network portion is this
24
one.
bits.
Yeah, 24 bits. It means
24.
if we need to make a circle, so this will be our network portion. Yeah. So this will be our network portion. Okay. So first three octet, or we can say the first three. This is the first group, second group, and the third. Okay. So the first three will be the network portion. Okay. Okay. So yes, please. This is the one. So this is class A, B, or C. Tell me. Yes.
A.
A. Yes, it is A. So the network portion will be this one. Okay. So this is our network portion. Okay. So what is this one? 215.45.45.0. Is it class A, B, or C?
B. B. B.
No, this is C, na? Because it starts from 192 to onward, okay? It is started from 192 to onward, yes? So this is class C. In class C, first three will be the network portion, okay? Now this one, the last one, here, I just want to tell you. So how many, yes, this is class A, B or C? So what will be the
C.
network portion here?
B. C.
This is C,
C.
yes, 192, class C. So what is the network portion?
24 bit.
A 24 bit. So it means up to this point, yes? Okay. So please try to solve by yourself all the things here. So is it, what is the network portion? What is the host portion? Okay. So the network portion now it is clear, all of you, or we can do some more practice for the network portion. Shall we complete or more or no need? Tell me, please. Yes. You need more practice here. Please tell me.
You understand?
No need. Can
No.
we complete more or no need? You can complete by yourself.
By yourself.
Okay, okay. You can complete by yourself. Okay, no problem. That's fine. Okay. So please try to complete all these things. Take the picture and upload in the subnetting worksheet folder. Okay, in the MS Team. Now the second here. So here, so we need to circle this one. Okay, this side. Now I'm going to discuss this side. Let me take the snipping. Okay, so let me complete this one. And here, okay. Okay. Now here we need to circle the host portion of this one. Okay. So is it a class A, B or C? Tell me. Is it class A, B or C?
A.
Okay. If it is class A, so it means, so the first mean only this first octet mean this will be the network and the rest of the portion is for the host. Yes. If you will go here, you can see I just explained you now. So it means class A only this is your network portion, yes, and rest of the bits for the host. This is for the host, this is for the host, and this is for the host. Mean 24 bit for the host, yes. So it means so only this is for the host and this sorry these three octets. So this one, and this one is the host portion of this address. Okay, so this is the host portion, and here if you will see now 171 2, is it belong to class A, B or C? Yes, please.
B.
Yes, it is. This is class B. So the host portion will be the this one and this one. Okay, so this is the host portion. Okay, host portion. Okay, now tell me this one. So here 198.125.87.177. Can you tell me what is the host portion here?
C.
This is class C. Yes, I know. It is good. So what is the host portion? What is the host portion?
Last one.
Yeah, only last one. Yes, because the first three octet belongs to the network and last octet for the host. Okay, so this is our host portion. Okay, please don't get confused with the host and the network portion. Okay, We are doing lot of practice now. Now this is your responsibility to complete all the things by yourself. Okay, if you need more practice, I will do the practice, but in exam you don't get confused with the network portion and the host portion. Okay, so in this one, can you tell me, is it class A, B or C? 223.250.200.222.
C. Class
Class
C.
C. Yes, class C. So what is the host portion here?
Last one.
The last one. Good. Okay, so this is the host portion. Okay, tell me this one.
A.
17.45.222.
Class
Is it class
class
A, B
A.
or C? This is
A.
class A. Okay, then good. Mashallah. Now, mashallah, you people are understanding everything. So what is the host portion?
Last three.
Last three. Okay, last three octet for the host. Okay, so this is the host portion. Okay, so we can say this is the host portion. Okay, so this is the host portion. Let me take this one, I think better. So this is the host portion. Okay, this is the host portion. Okay, so what is this one? 126.201.54. Is it class A, B or
B.
C?
B.
No, class